Hello guys, I'm back with one more video. Today we'll discuss if you have a Gmail issue, like you're not receiving email on your Gmail account. I'll show you how you can fix it. So I have this Gmail account. This one is working, but I'll show you what you need to do. So click on your Gmail account logo. Click on manage your Google account. Click on that. Usually you would see over here a message that your storage is full. And if not, you can just type here storage in a search area right there. Click on account storage. Click on that and you would see how much storage you have left. I have plenty of storage left for this, but I will show you what you would get. So I have this other account. It says account storage is almost full, but you will get like account storage is full, like 15 GB or 15 GB is used. But this is, I'm just showing you as an example what you need to do. So just go back to your storage right here. So what you need to do is manage your storage by clearing up your unused data. So as you can see, Google Drive has this much, Gmail has this much, and Google Photo has this much data stored. So you can just pick one that you can think you can clear it up. For example, I have this Google Photos. I'm just going to click on it here. And I'm going to start clearing up whatever photo I have I need to delete, or videos. Then I can just click on right there, select each one that I don't need and just click delete right there. Click on delete and it's going to say moving item to trash. Remove photos and videos from your Google account and just click got it, and it's going to say it's going to move to trash. So it's not removed yet. So once you say move to trash, click on that. Then you're going to go to trash, click on a trash, and you're going to empty the trash out from there. So click empty trash and say empty trash. So that would clear up some storage for you. So just go through your items, pictures, data, email you might have, file you might have stored in Google Drive. Just clear up the best you can, save it somewhere. And this is how you can fix it. Once you clear everything out, you will start receiving all new emails. You won't be able to receive all the email you have missed in between. You will start receiving new emails going forward because storage was full and there is no way to Gmail to store those new email anywhere. When the sender sent an email to your account, it would bounce back to them as undelivered. But the good part is you will start getting new emails, so they can always resend it back to you. So all you had to do, guys, is clear up your storage, just freeing up space by deleting the unwanted data, pictures, videos, email, Google Drive, documents that you might have, and that would take care of the issue. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Thank you.